As you probably already know, West Michigan can be a bit unpredictable in terms of weather. From hot summers to cold winters and everything in between, the last thing on your mind is your car battery. And that's where we come in. Here at Berger Chevrolet, we offer free battery testing on any make and model of vehicle. Follow me and let's see how it's done. It's recommended that you change your battery every 4 to 5 years. Here at Berger, we offer gold, silver, and platinum packages, all with a 40-month maintenance-free warranty. If you're in need of a new battery, schedule an appointment with our service department. If you're able to install your own battery, head to our retail parts department and you can purchase one there. And most importantly, drive safe. We hope to see you soon.